Постріл!
Ukrainian Marines troops eliminate 3 Russian assault groups near Huliaipole. Ukrainian defenders have successfully repelled another Russian assault attempt near Huliaipole, eliminating 3 enemy assault groups and preventing a breakthrough along this sector of the southern front. According to the Southern Defense Forces, the situation has been fully stabilized and remains under Ukrainian control. Russian troops attempted to intensify offensive actions in the area, pushing toward Ukrainian defensive positions in hopes of gaining tactical ground. Their assault groups moved forward in coordinated attacks, aiming to penetrate deeper into Ukrainian lines. However, soldiers of the 33rd Separate Assault Regiment of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, supported by neighboring assault and mechanized units, mounted a decisive response. Engaging the attackers in a series of defensive and counter-assault actions, Ukrainian forces successfully halted the offensive and neutralized all 3 assault groups involved in the operation. Military officials noted that the enemy suffered significant losses and was forced to withdraw, abandoning its attempt to gain momentum in this part of the front line. The Southern Defense Forces emphasized that Ukrainian troops continue to maintain strong defensive positions in the Huliaipole sector, closely monitoring Russian movements and responding quickly to any further attempts at breakthrough operations. The incident underscores the continued intensity of fighting in the region, where Russian forces have repeatedly attempted to advance but faced consistent resistance from Ukrainian defenders. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian Special Operations Forces have successfully carried out a targeted operation against a Russian sabotage and reconnaissance group in Pokrovsk, eliminating 4 Russian soldiers and thwarting an attempted infiltration. The incident, detailed in an official report, underscores the continued intensity of small unit engagements and drone-assisted reconnaissance along active sectors of the front line. According to the SOF, the Russian group was detected moving toward a residential high-rise building believed to be a potential temporary shelter or staging point. Ukrainian operators, having prepared an ambush along the expected route, waited until the SRG approached the area. As the Russian soldiers neared the building, Ukrainian forces opened fire, instantly neutralizing 3 members of the group before they could reach cover. The 4th Russian soldier attempted to withdraw from the ambush zone, using his small arms to fire at a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone monitoring the operation. Despite his efforts to evade detection and disrupt surveillance, SOF operators quickly tracked his movement. The soldier was subsequently targeted and eliminated, preventing him from escaping or relaying operational information. In addition to neutralizing the SRG, Ukrainian forces reported that during their withdrawal from the area, they detected and destroyed an enemy Judo unmanned aerial vehicle. The UAV was believed to be conducting reconnaissance or attempting to track Ukrainian troop movements. Its destruction further reduced the enemy's situational awareness in the sector. The SOF emphasized that the operation demonstrates the effectiveness of integrated reconnaissance, drone support, and precision small unit tactics. These capabilities have become central to modern battlefield engagements in Ukraine, where rapid detection and short-range clashes often determine control over contested urban spaces. The destruction of the SRG in Pokrovsk contributes to ongoing Ukrainian efforts to prevent enemy infiltration, protect military and civilian infrastructure, and maintain security in settlements close to active fighting. While the broader operational situation in the region remains fluid, SOF units continue to play a critical role in countering small, mobile enemy groups that attempt to penetrate Ukrainian defenses. At the same time, a Ukrainian paratrooper successfully neutralized 2 Russian occupiers using a combination of deception and precise small arms fire, according to frontline reports. The incident occurred during an active combat engagement in the area, where Ukrainian air assault forces have been conducting defensive and counter-offensive operations amid intensified Russian pressure. According to military sources, the paratrooper skillfully disguised himself as one of the approaching Russian soldiers, adopting their visual cues and mannerisms to avoid detection. Using this deception tactic, he managed to lure 2 Russian occupiers toward his concealed position. Once the enemy combatants closed the distance, the Ukrainian soldier opened fire, eliminating both targets before they could react. Military analysts noted that such close-quarters engagements highlight both the complexity and intensity of the fighting in urban sectors like Pokrovsk, where quick thinking and adaptability often determine survival. Ukrainian commanders praised the paratroopers' actions as an example of both tactical ingenuity and the high level of training within the air assault forces. The broader situation in Pokrovsk remains tense, with ongoing clashes reported as Ukrainian forces continue to resist Russian advances in the region. Despite the difficult conditions, incidents like this underscore Ukraine's continued emphasis on precision, discipline, and effective small unit tactics.